Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
You don't need a specific reason or time to drink chai. Everyone has their own special way of making it. Tandoori chai is a new trending type of tea. So let's see how to make it at home. Let's start with boiling 1 cup of water. Into this, next I'm going to add the tea leaves. 2.5 tablespoons of tea leaves. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Since this is a tandoori chai, so we're going to spice it up a little bit. Into this, let's add a few pieces of chopped ginger, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and I'm also going to flavor it with some saffron, but this is absolutely optional. So just a few strands of saffron. Give this a mix. And now let's add in the milk as well. 1.5 cups of milk. And boil this nicely. The tea is nicely boiled. Let's turn off the flame. Let's strain the tea now. And now on the flame, I'm going to heat up a clay pot. Heat the clay pot on low heat. Make sure it becomes nice and red hot. Also keep rotating it in the middle. Since I have one burner, I have transferred the tea in the thermos and I'm doing this step afterwards. But obviously when you're making it in your kitchen, you can simultaneously do this. Let's rotate this. Make sure you heat it up from inside as well. The pot is nice and hot. It's even changed color. Let's get it off the flame. Let's place it in an open pan. And now, let's pour the hot tea over it. And this tandoori chai has bubbled like a volcano and it's ready to serve. Now you know the simple secret of making tandoori chai at home. All you need is a clay pot. So do try this at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.